In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make charts on Monday.com so you can turn your boards into clear, visual reports in just a few clicks. Whether you want to track project progress, compare team workload, monitor budgets, or analyze task statuses, Monday.com makes it incredibly easy to create powerful charts. I'll walk you through two simple methods step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which option works best for your workflow. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first method is creating charts using a dashboard. This is the best option if you want to combine data from multiple boards into one central reporting area. Start by opening Monday.com and looking at the left sidebar. Click on Dashboards. If you don't see dashboards listed, click the plus icon labeled Add, then select Dashboard from the drop-down menu. You'll be asked whether you want the dashboard to be private or shareable. Choose the option that fits your needs. Private dashboards are great for personal tracking, while shareable dashboards are perfect for team reporting. Once your dashboard is created, go to the top of the screen and click on Plus Add Widget. A widget menu will open showing all available widgets. From here, select Chart. Now you'll see several chart types available depending on your plan. These typically include pie charts, bar charts, line charts, stacked bar charts, donut charts, radar charts, and in some plans even bubble charts. Choose the chart type that best represents the data you want to visualize. Next, you need to connect the board or boards that will supply the data. Click on Boards Connected and select one or multiple boards. This is what makes dashboards so powerful. You can pull information from several projects into one single chart. After selecting your boards, it's time to configure your x-axis and y-axis. For the x-axis, you might choose columns like status, priority, or people. For the y-axis, you could select numbers, amount, hours, or simply a count of items. For example, if you want to see how many tasks are in each status, choose status on the x-axis and count of items on the y-axis. If you're tracking budget totals, you might use a numbers column on the y-axis to sum the total values. Now you can customize your chart settings. Adjust the colors to match your brand or make categories easier to distinguish. Turn labels on or off depending on how detailed you want a chart to be. Modify grouping options if needed. And if you're working with date fields, you can set a specific time range to analyze performance over a week, month, or quarter. Once everything looks good, click Apply. Your chart will instantly appear on the dashboard, giving you a clean and professional visual summary of your data. Now let's look at the second method, creating charts using Chart View directly inside a board. This option is perfect if you only need to visualize data from a single board. Start by opening the board where you want to create the chart. At the top of the board, next to Main Table, click on Plus Add View. From the list of available views, select Chart View. This will immediately add a new tab to your board dedicated to chart visualization. Inside the chart view, you'll choose what you want to visualize. For example, you can group items by status to see task distribution. You can compare people's workload to understand team capacity. You can sum totals like budgets or tracked hours. Or you can track timeline progress if you're using date or timeline columns. Next, choose your chart type. Depending on your setup, you can select bar, line, donut, or pie charts. Then configure your X and Y axes just like we did in the dashboard method. The main difference here is that chart view only pulls data from this single board, so it's simpler but more limited compared to dashboards. Once you've set everything up, click Save View. Your new chart will now appear as a tab at the top of your board, and you can switch to it anytime to see real-time updates as your data changes. And that's it. Those are the two easiest ways to make charts on Monday.com, using dashboards for multi-board reporting and using Chart View for single-board visualization. Both methods are powerful, and choosing the right one depends on whether you need cross-project insights or board-specific analytics. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Monday.com tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.